friends, welcome back to my channel Twine with Kuntala. I hope you're enjoying my videos where I'm sharing my travel videos, my beauty related videos. So today's video will be on travel. Yes, so I'm going to share with you some spectacular places to visit in Portugal. So Portugal, as you know, is known and it is defined for its pristine countryside, the sensational beaches, the sparkling sea waters, and a vivid landscape. Every year, thousands of tourists and globetrotters visit Portugal. It is one of the most spectacular and popular destinations in Europe. So, without much further delay, I would start with a short virtual tour of the places which are best, according to me, in Portugal. I would be narrating some important salient points about all those places. So, if you like my video and enjoy it, then do please like, comment, and subscribe, and press the bell button to get the notifications for my future upcoming videos. So friends, let's start with the short virtual tour.
Lisbon. It is the capital city of the country and one of the fascinating places to visit in Portugal. If you are a history buff, then the city is where you must hop in. You will be spellbound with its historical prominence, embellished by the artistically curated cathedrals, vintage trams, narrow alleys, and several food hubs with a touch of history. Watching the skyline of Lisbon at dusk and evening is a memorable experience. Besides, its mystic scenic views are alluring and mesmerizing. You must not miss visiting its numerous street-side shops and the Colombo Mall for satiating your purchasing spree. Jeronimus Monastery is another interesting place to visit in the city. Madeira. Madeira is one of the stunning places to visit in Portugal. It is an island and is a preferred destination for adventure enthusiasts, hikers, and trekkers. There are several walking trails in Madeira for venturing out and embracing nature. The key attraction of the island is the house of the famous explorer Christopher Columbus. Another key attraction is the Museum of CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo, the world-renowned footballer and captain of Portugal. Numerous food joints, restaurants, and street-side shops serving delectable local foods and drinks are the specialty of the island. Praia da Marina. Pristine beaches, gleaming sea waters, and rocky cliffs along the shores dominate the intrinsic beauty of Praia da Marina. The place is quite famous among beach lovers and water sports enthusiasts. You can spend an ample amount of time indulging in adventurous water activities and sports like snorkeling, diving, and boating. The feel of the marine life further uplifts the charm of the place. If you want to spend a time of solitude, then you can sit and relax at the beach, enjoying the soothing breeze and the freshness in the air. Praia da Marina is one of the most happening places to visit in Portugal. Sintra. Buildings and structures portraying brilliant craftsmanship and architectural grandeur circumference the town of Sintra. It is one of the historically significant places to visit in Portugal. The key attraction of the town is the iconic Quinta da Regueira building. Standing tall with its exquisite gardens and artistic charm, it is frequented by tourists. The building has been included in UNESCO's list of World Heritage Sites. The Moorish Castle is another awesome place to visit in Sintra. Hop on into the historic Sintra tram ride for a splendid tour of the breathtaking countryside. There is a beach named Praia da Ursa Beach, an offbeat and quiet place to visit in the town. Porto. If you want to float into a dreamland, Porto is the place for you. Your mind and soul will be elevated to a divine state, witnessing the astounding views at the banks of the river Douro. Its meandering alleys, colorful buildings, beautiful monuments, and palaces are dazzling to watch. It is one of the captivating places to visit in Portugal. The two significant tourist spots to visit in the city are Ponte de Dom Bridge, an epitome of beauty, and the Palacio da Bolsa. The city paints a retro look with its heritage cafes, historic and iconic buildings, and eateries all around. Douro Valley. Do you love visiting vineyards and explore wine processing methods? Well, then you must definitely visit Douro Valley. It is one of the perfect places to visit in Portugal for a taste of those delectable wines. The vineyards are spread across vast areas along the mountain slopes. The river Douro flows past the land, amplifying its beauty much more. The crystal clear blue sky, the meandering stream of waters, the dense greenery, and the gigantic landscape transports our mind into a dreamland. The serenity and calmness encompassing the region are precious. You can opt for the river cruise to soak into the beauty of the river and its vivacious surroundings. And do not miss out on the exotic wine and food tour in the vineyards and taste some of its delicious wines. Aveiro. Have you been to Venice? If yes, then you can bet the similarity of the town Aveiro with Venice. It is one of the amazing places to visit in Portugal. Gondola rides, winding canals, and alluring quays dominate the artistic town. You will be astonished to watch the mystic array of colorful buildings and houses lined along both sides of the canals. The key attraction of the place is Art Nouveau, where you can find a display of wonderful creations of paintings and artworks by talented artists and painters. Visit the Nova Beach to spend a relaxing time watching the golden hue of the sunset. Swoop into some of the delectable local Portuguese cuisines in the street side shops and restaurants spread across the town. Óbidos. The pristine hamlet of Óbidos has an interesting story to narrate. It is related to the age-old tradition of Portugal when kings used to buy villages to appease and please their beloved queens. It is believed that in the 13th century, King Denis had gifted the village of Óbidos to his loving lady and beloved queen Isabel. The simplistic and artistic houses in the village, the charming aura of the environment around, and the neatly aligned pavements augment the beauty of the place. If you have been to Santorini in Greece, then you can find a wide resemblance to it. Do not miss visit Castello de Óbidos, an ancient castle with captivating views of the countryside. Do not forget, friends, to enter Portugal into your bucket list if you're planning for a trip to Europe. Its beauty and historical heritage are unparalleled and fascinating. The best time to visit the country is spring, when nature is in its full bloom. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed the video on the captivating places to visit in Portugal. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification to receive information about the new videos. Till then friends, stay safe, stay healthy and goodbye.